Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Today we are going to look at 3D text in Photoshop. Create a text layer in Photoshop. We are going to use this 3D effect with the hand we created. You don't have to use any preset or action for this. You just have to use the effects layer in Photoshop. It's very simple, just follow it. First, let's take a color for this text. If you go to Effects and pick Gradient Overlay, you can use the gradient you already have, or you can create your own color gradient. I am going to use this gradient for branding. So choose this color and keep the opacity at 100. And keep the angle at -90. And keep the scale at 123. So the mix of the two colors will be spread. So you can keep it at 123 or 125. So after setting all this, you can press OK, or you can add the next effect. So I will move this slightly and show you one by one. Next, I'm going to duplicate the gradient overlay layer. Click on the plus icon next to the gradient overlay layer. Then another layer will open up. Choose the layer above the gradient overlay layer. Don't choose the layer below the gradient overlay layer. After choosing the layer above the gradient overlay layer, change the blend mode to linear. We are going to change the color of this gradient to black and white. This will give a metallic feel to the 3D text. Just change the first color to black. If you click on the hand icon, another stop will be added. Change this stop to white, like this. We are going to change this back to black. And next, we are going to change this end to white. If you look here, you will start getting a metallic feel. So you can add it as per the metallic feel you want. There is no wrong or right in this. Just add it like this. Perfect. This is your creativity. You can change it as you like. I think this is correct. I am going to press it. I feel like the highlight is too much here, so I am going to reduce the opacity. I think opacity should be around 35 or 30. Next, you can change the angle. You can change the direction of the highlights and shadows. I am going to keep it at 90 degrees. It will look good to me. Next, we are going to add an inner shadow. You can check the inner shadow. I am already using the values, so I am going to explain it to you. Keep the blending mode to normal and change the color to white. Angle should be 43, so that we get light from the side. We are using the inner shadow as a light source. I am making the rim light glow from the top. You can adjust the size and distance as per your convenience. Don't touch the quality settings. Next, we will add the outer glow. I have already added everything here, so I will just quickly show you what it is. So, opacity and noise. Noise is nothing much. Look here. Now, there is no noise. It is plain. When I increase the noise, I get this dot dot. So, it is a noisy, trending texture. So, it looks good. If you want, you can choose that. Some people don't like this, so you can reduce the noise completely. Or you can add more if you want. It's your own interest and creativity. And keep the blend mode on the screen. And another important thing is the color. You have to choose the color of the outer glow. So choose the color that matches your text. Or if you are doing something funky, you can choose contrasting colors. Since I am looking like I am in the same theme, I have chosen the same color theme. Same orange. It's not the same color, but you can use the colors in the same theme or family. Next is the elements, how much the glow should spread, and the size, how much you want the size. You can adjust the size of the text as well, so you can modify it according to the text and the size. Don't follow the same values, as I always say. Try it out, and if it works for you, use it. If not, change it. Next, we are going to add a drop shadow. It's very simple. Just click on it. Now, we are going to get a 3D depth. First, we are going to change the color to a dark red. I think this is enough. Next, I will change this angle to 90 degrees. 90, perfect. I will just change the distance a little. Now you can see the 3D feel, right? This is a fake 3D, not real 3D. This is just for the thumbnail to look good. So this is a drop shadow. We still have to add 2 more drop shadows. So I will duplicate this. Now, we are going to change the color of the drop shadow below to black. Next, we are going to change the distance from 15 to 30 and change the size of the 0 to 16. You will get a spread out shadow. After this, we are going to duplicate this and select the drop shadow below. After selecting this, we are going to change the distance and size. Let's give it 60. I think 60 is correct. And the size is around 25. Yeah, perfect. So now we have a rim light coming from the top. So we have set it so that the shadow comes down when we hit it from there. So when you change this, you can change it as you like. I hope you understood how to get this 3D text. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and also don't forget to try out your own creative outputs. If you are new to our channel, please feel free to check out our other videos. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get notified about our new videos. Until then, it's BL signing off. See you in the next one.